Today we will start investment multiplier. Investment multiplier. According to Keynes, a small change in investment will lead to a big change in income. Investment multiplier is the rate of change in income due to change in investment. Multiplier is the ratio of increase in national income due to increase in investment, change in Y upon change in I, or we can write it K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, or K is equal to 1 upon MPS. Yes, friends. How can we find out K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC? Be careful. There is a need of practice to find out the formula. K is equal to change in Y upon change in I, we have discussed. Y is equal to C plus I, or we can write it change in Y is equal to change in C plus change in I, or change in I is equal to change in Y minus change in C. Now, in equation 1, we will put the value of change in I, change in Y upon change in Y minus change in C. Dividing right side of equation by change in Y. Change in Y upon change in Y is equal to 1. Change in Y upon change in Y minus change in C upon change in Y. Change in C upon change in Y is equal to MPC. So, we can write it 1 upon 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS. We can write it 1 upon MPS also. Do practice of it? Yes, friends. Now we will discuss the relation between multiplier and MPC. There is a direct relationship between MPC and the value of multiplier. Higher the MPC, more will be the value of multiplier, and vice versa. Why? What is the reason? In the case of higher MPC, people will spend a large proportion of their income on consumption. In such case, the value of multiplier will be more. In case of low MPC, people will spend lesser proportion of their increased income on consumption. In such case, value of multiplier will be comparatively less. Yes, friends. You can see in the table, MPC 0, multiplier is 1. MPC increases 0.5, multiplier is 2. No need to cram it. In the right side you can see, if MPC is equal to 0.5, 1 upon 1 minus MPC, 1 upon 1 minus 0.5, it is equal to 2. Now, if we say MPC is equal to 1, multiplier is infinite. So, MPC increases, multiplier is also increases. But there is a negative relation between, inverse relation between MPS and multiplier. MPS decreases, so multiplier increases. Yes, friends, change in investment leads to change in income. Change in income leads to change in consumption. Change in consumption leads to again change in income. This process continues till change in consumption expenditure becomes 0. Result increase in income depends upon the MPC. Yes, friends, we will discuss multiplier mechanism. In our example, we will take initial investment 100 crore. MPC 0.5. Increase in investment expenditure in first round 100 crore. It leads to income again 100 crore. MPC 0.5, we can say 50% of 100 crore is consumed, means 50 crore is consumed, 50 crore are saved. Now, in the one means expenditure becomes the income of the other. In the second round, you can see 50 crore becomes income. 50% of the 50 crore rupees is consumed, means 25 crore consumed in the second round. 25 crore is saved. This will be continued. MPC 0.5, investment is 100 crore. Income generated will be 200 because multiplier is 2. This question is very important for exam. Yes, students, you can read the description also. You can see in this diagram, an increase in investment leads to the shift of AD curve to AD1. C plus I. Now C plus I plus change in I. As a result of it, income increases OY to OY1. Increase in income is greater than increase in investment. Now we can see forward action and backward action of multiplier. Multiplier action is forward when there is multiple increase in income caused by an increase in investment. On the other hand, multiplier action is backward when there is a multiple decrease in income caused by decrease in investment. If investment increases by 100 crore, MPC 0.5, then multiplier is 2. Income will be increased by 2 times. This is the forward action multiplier. On the other hand, if investment decreases by 100 crore, MPC 0.5, there will be decrease in income 2 times the decrease in investment. This shows the backward action multiplier. Thank you.